Eti honorable Kennedy Akompra Agyapong ebusia wa winning the heart of many Ghanaians after our accepted election results with good heart and good faith. Ebusia Abra Kennedy Akompra winning the heart of Ghanaians no sebe the supporters and the fans ebi mu ejimi dodo a video mu ye best send a word of cautions to some of them. I Penyah block media best one say any demo. Obe like video no other about subscribe buttons na be click notification icon of latest updates na be chere wa adwen dey amame e wo comment section so ba so no share for enya bia hwe. So it was on Saturday 31st January 2026 NMP for Komo primary she say omo go to aba ekoyi omo titreni as obedi party ni e dey 2028 elections. And you know say it was so intensive. And it's very intense. Mana enieden abemu, especially from the camp of Kennedy Agyapong and the camp of Bawumia. And say omo call back and forth on the internet. A be beef between them na omo call back and forth na obi e to tuja e man no yonko as na ntwa yi na enye nice. But they use akonya be fia obi apre and aprapre de e ni braba itira e normal. Na no obi asuro say ene se ko to abe na Kennedy se be wanwene a e den no be ye. Obe start to showdown ni biem. Anas obeye dey. Edube kai kwale ko to aba no. So free be share come say election day no Kennedy ebetwi two physical.
And young Papa Kennedy betwi two physical Saturday. Onoamu betwi two. Onoamu betwi two physical. Asem we am said it on radio make makanya first time I'm making it. So I'm saying this on record. Onoan kasa betwi two physical. No one can do it. Easy so, and that's what they call it. Often quite easy so. Delegates is so. Yeah. And the I say, the who say for now no we winning.
Oh, guys, I credit bet too. We go no we say about na ha credit enya. Ana credit enya so a. Say the credit enya ase abre no. Obet too. Oda say obet too. But lo and behold, ye da bottom ko share so. Ema ekodu adwumre no. Na obi ahu say the esiko ebe say ade chiye no Kennedy Agyapong in fact or surprise Ghana for na ko bi anim say bia oba obeka se results on som obesta bibi but on the other hand Kennedy accepted the results with a good faith and good heart. I must say from that day my love for Kennedy has started growing.
Hey, boy. Hey. I want to take this opportunity to thank Tim Ken for the wonderful work you've done. I mean, we all admit we work hard, but God's time is the best. He knows what is good for us. I know most of you are dejected. You have to keep your spirit up because once we have life, we have everything. So don't be dejected. And the advice I give is, I have taken it coolly because in politics, you can win, you can lose. Anytime I speak to you guys and tell you we can win, we can lose, you say, oh, win, win. But I'm a veteran politician, so I know. I've gone through several defeats, and therefore I cushioned myself and expected the worst. And the worst has happened. But the worst doesn't mean that is the end of life.
Hey. Sure. Yes.
So keep faith alive.
Yes.
And be happy with the outcome. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? So I'm pleading with all of you not to do anything. We have to stay calm. We believe in the party. The delegates have spoken. We have to take it. That's the advice I want to give all of us. But we don't know what is in store for us tomorrow. So especially Team Ken, the good work that you've done, I want to show my appreciation. And at an appropriate time, we'll meet and dine together.
Yes.
What I want to say again is that do not use this against anybody in the party. Once they have decided, let's all come together as party members and work together.
Yes, well, prove that Ghana for say or ye peacemaker, or ye gentleman, or ye troublemaker. Say the people who no, or ye Debbie, or ye such an honorary man, or ye honorable. Emma is a shocking Ghana for the in fact. I do that credit and they said about me ever consider defeat in 24 election. In fact, or surprise Ghana for no. Could be the same people, they may a party or Montiasi, baby, we are a lot, but Bawumia coming out to accept defeat, no, nice. A piano credit iron. Now, that credit in fact, a bebo can be a man de be. Why are there? Because no beer or a deeper do not anywhere say, Kennedy. In fact, never before this. Truth is one. You call about to not Kennedy will be a MP before this room. And the way say, why you be paying cast, I show down be paying. Ama, we also how it affected the MPP. It will be as we said, they say, Kennedy one near. Oba be showdown and I say Oba be there already. Or the can Tuesday be say Abana say the enema on court or tia or best start in near. To be as we said near or best start showdown and but God being so good is also by you know. Nyameni Ukraine that performance in there in fact he couldn't perform because 23%, but we are 56.48%. That's a very vast interval. But on our way to be as a coin or be accepted with a good faith and say na Ghana for you airborne abaso. Now Ghana for airborne abaso no. And I was the supporters almost at 30 age me. Kennedy supporters at 30 age me. Facebook, there's one lady defending for upon. Oh no, in fact, we are supporter of Kennedy Agyapong ko Agyapong. Yeah, trouble you I about say Kennedy Arian no. Or make it post on Facebook. We attack Dr. Frank Amakwe now. Yeah, Ashanti Regional DC, minister no. Ashanti Regional DC minister. We attack no. I don't just say, Dr. Frank Amakwe, get my NDC card ready. Together, we will save Ghana from a more party. Or sono ya buampa. And this is coming from someone na oye MPP ni. I will support Kennedy Agyapong ko Agyapong. The candidate are winning no. Now MPP a more party. It any for a man card. They will save Ghana from the more party. Oh, this is some of the nonsense here. Bamenika can see me answer. Video when you krokro. Why a video may God forbid that I will be a sycophant. Say any pen will hear mu. Say nipa baku mienu we pema se mutimi ntimi kan okre. May God forbid. E dey say me kan okre. Ama wo bubefu na bekọ akọ. Beside, oh my no be a support obi e follow me ansa na oba be home here. Someone supported me before you come in here. And you will be instructing me how to do my video. No, you cannot come on my platform and instruct me on the kind of content I should make, how to address issue. You can't come and instruct me. I built myself before you see me to join me. It's more mobile video asada more threats and you be that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. With all due respect, stop that nonsense. Enough of that. Mobile video asada more threats and other than what can say we you be stop that nonsense. You can go. Enough. You can go. And you won't can correct. I will forever speak the truth. Obi Jimia. Remember the person say wo Jimmy. No nsu nyansa. Obetima call. Yame no nante. O call bi beba. Muntie ni yi. Many Kennedy ni asem. And MPP I may belong to know. Mean choosing any candidate over the other. There be a say I am there for the elephant. Whoever wins the primaries, we throw our support to that person. The moment I be decided say me support nipa we no. Emma obeye say ono na ma you generate anger. So ono na anwene a obenya anger ebi na ye Jennifer Pong any some of the Kennedy supporters. Mebo video bia mwati. Ba we me din kan address Jennifer Pong sam do ma mo hwe asem bi abafo bi so eka. So obeka say o candidate anwene ntino. Ye ma NDC card, ye get card ready for you. Now together you save Ghana from the more party a unimu nyansa. It means say already now was ya abua. They was now belonging to that party. Now we are abua. Oh, this kind of nonsense. And I mean who am I coming to me so no. Move imagine say party na mumu no. It is either your candidate to lead the party or any party in Tinefi. What kind of nonsense is that? It is either say mo candidate any lead the party no, and I say it is either your candidate or no one else. What kind of nonsense is this? You're doing a for party. Say behind this if why now no. Mahama Edna did the airquay or because they were only marketing Mahama. They were not promoting NDC, but they were rather promoting Mahama. I don't promote Mahama no abedini. It now aside Mahama no obu will be mufanim review. Obi to make us a metro NDC because of Mahama. And not because of the party, but because of Mahama into the top of NDC. It now said about Crown said the Mahama qua on to my NDC. Move as a bill a bin a bad people man I said. Be a party member, don't be a candidate member. You can support your candidate low key, but don't make it say, oh candidate and you are done with the party. Even oh candidate now open as some crown or no na or call the contest the crown or Lucy will accept the results with a good heart and a good faith. Who the hell are you? Who ya why? Who ya why? Nipa I was supporting no or don't call Lucy no. Wabi accepting results with a good heart and a good faith. Who the hell are you? I would tell me that I can't quasi asem. Oh ya why? Oh ya why? Oh ya why? Oh ya why? How many is your vote? Oh ya why? And I'm marrying saying any pass me ma. We are done. We are done. What kind of nonsense is this? Say that together we save Ghana from the Moa party. A do them party me and Moa and I will belong to that. So if you ask Mukasa Jimmy, so Mukasa Munyansa. And you know, as I heard, let's listen to this woman, Duncan Williams, a sister. So Penyah Duncan Williams, a sister, you.
Well, what am I going to say? It's not going very well for him. But I'm really, really surprised at the delegates again. I told them last time, I said, you bring Bawumia, you go to opposition. You are bringing back Bawumia. Let me tell you, and I'm saying it with authority, Bawumia will never, ever be president in Ghana here. Never. He came to destroy the MPP, just like his father destroyed UP. He has destroyed MPP, and that's the end. I'm telling you.
What's the basis for saying he won't be president of Ghana?
I am telling you. You want me to tell you something?
Tell me.
We are 75% of Christians. Muslims are 14%. The other religion is the other 11. So let me tell you something. When you go with the other, what the other religion, when they talk or say, so from there, they join the Christians. So I'll tell you something. Christian right now is what, 11, or maybe I'll just cut it 6, but 75, which is 81. There's no way anywhere in this world that majority will let a minority lead. And if you let a minority, I'll give you an example. Just go to the parliament. Is it possible that the majority there will let a minority lead them? It's a question. It's a simple question.
Is it about religion basis?
But let me tell you, everywhere in this world, everywhere, you cannot go to a Muslim land and you Christian tell them you want to lead them. They will cut off your tongue. You see, that's what they don't understand. We don't have a problem with any Muslim. We don't. But they won't. I'm telling you.
So now, is your camp going to support Bawumia going into the future?
Of course. But we will never win.
You are supporting him, but you know you know him.
Well, of course. We know. And I tell you, the big people, the people, hey, they know that Bawumia will never win.
What is informing your conviction Bawumia will never win?
That Bawumia will win Ghana. Did you just hear my explanation right now?
I got you on the balance of religion and belief. But
and I'm telling you, there's nowhere in this world that majority will let minority lead them.
There was once in the parliament of this country where the majority had to concede somehow for minority. Alban Bagbin came from the minority.
That's a different thing. But that's the parliament. That's not the whole Ghana. That's not, listen.
The 275 in parliament represents the whole Ghana.
Let me tell you. You don't know what I'm telling you. This is the truth I'm telling you. And the truth is only one. They would never, ever, never And I'm telling you, and I'm telling you with authority, Bawumia will never be president in Ghana. Never.
Even though he's clearly...
I am telling you,
winning the
he has no
NPP
message. The man has no message. You telling me you're gonna build a toilet at Agyapong? You couldn't even do it. You couldn't even do it. What can you do? You had 8 years to do something for the North. You couldn't do it. You couldn't even build the toilets. The toilets is for assemblymen. Okay? Bawumia said he brought the drones. He never brought the drones. He's a digital. He never did that. Everything Bawumia said he brought, he never did. He came and met the Ghana card. The Ghana card was brought for Kufuor, because I know some people that had the Ghana card 2007. Okay? Digital. He did not bring digital. What are you people talking about? He has no message. You bring Bawumia, listen, Bawumia is taking MPP down. Just like his father took UP down. Have you heard Bawumia talking about his father before? Okay, my father is Duncan Williams. Okay, and it's not the Archbishop. So I can talk about my father. And I know what my father did with Kwame Nkrumah for Ghana here. But he cannot.
Is this your...
Yakwa about me wie. Ye pasumdwe. De wa we ne say true support emano. Mugu so ke kan kwase asem we. This person can never be ye makamoni medi o man so. Mu da se kasa kwase asem we. Maboda mo ana. He maboda mo ana. Maboda mo ana. Maboda mo ana. E den kwase asem no. Oh, and so na me ke bia mo se na ka se asem be se fa credit camp ho a ase wo kana ne de so. Mekana near this because Jimmy Yadoso. Credit Babona Basso, say why yard he has done an honorable thing. Why honorable thing? Yami Pesu Juma accepting the results with a good heart. Me Bonabas, why are they? Why winning my heart? Because well prove your together for say the amount for you way to train yes, I not here. We a different person altogether. Well prove your together for. Or no call on no call about to on Boneka. Or now we always music on this election card and have not. What was in China? How can kwasi asem? So if you win your answer, no munya ijime no. Enough of that nonsense. Promise ni ande munya ijime no. We are mother. Ba mo fa ijime bi ama. Don't start any nonsense. Don't start any stupid thing. Mo fa kwasi ade bi ama. With all due respect. Mo fa kwasi asem bi ama e me so ye nhwe. Na mo de ba ye ba be ke kanya adwa kire mama bi a obubefu. Be there for the party. Already, Nikaka said, no can, no vote. That slogan, a threat. Our threat, the threat say, I'm fucking ma. More imagine, say, Mon Tuaba. Even say, yeah, the Jesus Christ trying to contest, I'm MPP, I'm on Tuaba. Make us a threat. And same the kind, you are living to that. More men said, I'm Kenny, I am correct. Because you are called primaries. Next, I'm candidate iron it. Not because of that, you're all different to end this year. You're all defecting to end this year. What are you telling us? Just say, o candidate and we intend the end your time say, what nonsense is this? Mama can't tell. Bawumia didn't lose the 2024 election. MPP decided not to vote. This time around, we need unity, togetherness. With unity and togetherness, the elephant will rise again. Because of a vote difference. 2016. Mahama enya 5.7 million votes. 2020 onya 6.2 million votes. 2024 onya 6.3 million votes. 2016 Akufo enya Mahama nya 4.7, Akufo nya 5.7 million actually. 2020 Akufo enya 6.7 million votes. Akufo nya 6.7 million votes. 2024, Anna Bawumia kunya 4.6 million. To mean say, vote Akufo 2026.7 million. Esobeti over 2.1 million. And it say, ka vote Akufo 2020. And no one ye nyina sa kotuma Bawumia rene. Bawumia didn't lose. Ghanaians didn't vote against Bawumia. Just that the MPP decided not to vote. and say we am no go so kana say Jimmy sem no say yam fa candidate we am yam to aba no say ankwase Jimmy sem we and when people lose it 2024 this stupid mentality mo da mo san famra bring it on mo san famra say mo Jimmy am mo da mo san fa ankwase asem namla ye ka na ye ka yes na den me say if you can't watch me tie no kro we ya you can choose to go enough. And my mommy pressure, don't come and dictate for me how I should do my video. You can't come and dictate for me. You saw my channel before you joined. Oba and Canada may 0 subscribers, you never join me. It don't come one person, you can't come and dictate for me how I should make my video. No. I don't support any candidate. I am there for the elephant. It adibia me believe say a big elephant python. I wouldn't watch you do that. Then say if a camp we home me fire mo. If a camp me fire me say camp kro me fire ba ho na onti ase a obi timako wa wasemo. Nya me ti ase we ko bi beba. Da bia me nyani subscribe to my channel. I am not being bossy, but sometimes we be more distracted too much. Ye ntimi kan kre na mo dey threat here. O subscribe ba ko paint na mo dey threat here anyway ja hwe ko. Ya bra mo ko. Tell your mama comment section. How you Penyah Media. Accra.